5T is a principle which Honorable CM has suggested for transformation to happen in the state. It's not about incremental improvement. I mean, incremental improvement, बहुत वर्षाला देखी के अश्चु. Now the time has come for transformational changes. सेति में 5T. What are the 5 T's? First T is transparency, then technology, teamwork, time, all these leading to transformation. So under this 5T, Mo Sarkar is a component. Mo Sarkar component है कौन होची? What is the transformation target in Mo Sarkar? As Honorable CM said, simple target. How do you treat a citizen who comes to you in the police station? Very simple target. How do you treat a citizen who comes to the police station? And how do you treat his complaint? Whether you treat it professionally or unprofessionally, whether you treat it ethically or unethically. Simple. So how do you treat a citizen who comes to your police station for a complaint, for a petition, for a grievance, whatever it is? And how do you treat the complaint? So these two are the transformative targets under Mo Sarkar. Why this name Mo Sarkar? As Honorable CM said, his speech reflects the spirit behind this Mo Sarkar initiative. In a democracy, every institution exists for the purpose of people. We draw power from people, we draw money from people, and we exist for the purpose of serving the people. We draw our salary from the citizens. So it is basically the citizens' government which we all reflect. That is why Mo Sarkar, my government. It's not his government or her government or somebody else's government. It is the citizens' government. So from citizens' point of view, he says it is my government. So if it is his government, his satisfaction is very, very important. That is what is the transformation which we want all of us to join together as a team and bring in. How it will be done? Any person who visits the police station, his phone number will be registered. You have CCTVs, you have other systems. The phone number of a petitioner who visits the police station will be registered and it is hooked on to the Mo Sarkar portal. From the Mo Sarkar portal, a SMS is generated and goes to the complainant. Your phone number is registered in the Mo Sarkar portal. That means he knows that I went to a police station, my whatever action is taken, and I am also registered in the Mo Sarkar portal. In case somebody goes to a police station, he lodges a complaint, but his phone number is not registered, then he won't get SMS. If he won't get SMS in 24 hours, then he will have a toll-free number to call up. The number will be published soon, and we'll have a huge IEC mechanism that if your number is not registered in the police station, and if you don't get an SMS from the police station in 24 hours or 12 hours, based on our efficiency in the system, we'll fine-tune that. How much time lag we'll give. So you'll get an SMS. So if the SMS is not received by that person, he can give a missed call in the toll-free number. His phone number will be registered and SMS will go to him. So once these numbers are registered in the Mo Sarkar portal, random numbers are projected before everyone in the system, starting from the Honorable Chief Minister. In case of Home, there is a Minister of State Home, then the DG, everyone in the system up to the Superintendent of Police, the phone numbers will be available. For the Superintendent of Police, his district may, which Thana may, who has gone, and what is his phone number will be available to the SP. So the Honorable Chief Minister, as he mentioned in his speech, he will make 10 phone calls in those random numbers to find out as to how their treatment was in the police station. Apne police station jaitile, kon mein jaitile, kon hella city. Sir, mo complaint mein jaitili, complaint bola hella, complaint sange sange register karle, mo kotha bola avare sunile, tale bola kotha. Jadi he nahi thibo, tale action will follow. This is the basic way how it is going to work. So Honorable CM will make 10 calls. Like that in the system, everyone will have a target to make calls. And this will be monitored very strictly. Why this feedback system? As Honorable CM said, that when you go to your police station and if your complaint is not registered, what is the option you have? You go to the SP. If SP is not listening, then you go to DIG. Or many people take pains to come all the way to DG office. There is going to be a transformation. Instead of the complainant who is in a distress condition chasing everyone in the hierarchy, we will chase the complainant and find out how his complaint is treated. That is the change which we propose under Mo Sarkar. आमे समस्त होटल जाउछु होटल गले काय सारला पर गला होटल रे कोन करंती गोटे फीडबैक फॉर्म दियंती पचारिबे खाइबा केमती थिला सर्विस केमती लगिला नमक ठीक थिला कि आपनकर एटमॉस्फेयर केमती लगिला दिस इज द फीडबैक ए सर्विस प्रोवाइडर टेक्स फ्रॉम ए कस्टमर वी आर ऑल सर्विस प्रोवाइडर्स citizen is the customer and he is also the owner here. He is not strictly the customer alone. He is also the owner. जदि गोटे होटल रे जाएगी पैसा देगी आमे कायबा करिबा बेले एते फीडबैक नउछु ताले when the entire system runs for a citizen and this citizen is not somebody who comes to you happily. किए ताना का सुनती who has lost a child or a beloved one murder हेगला murder case रे आसुंती who has lost dignity rape case रे आसंती who has lost his property तंगरा जमी वाड़ी जो भी तिला सब चोरी हेगला से मने आसंती or who has lost his peace एमिति लोग आसंती ताना के किए भी खुशी रे आसंती नहीं ताना के जदि एमिति लोग आसंती तांके कोवली बाबरा में ट्रीट करिवार अछि how responsive the system should be how sensitive the system should be. That is why this Mo Sarkar initiative. Why Honorable CM selected police station and hospital in the first instance? Because these are two places where people go with lot of pain and distress. अन्य सब जगह तहसील ऑफिस रे गले इनकम सर्टिफिकेट 10 दिन परे वाले भी किसी प्रॉब्लम नहीं. हॉस्पिटल रे जदी हार्ट अटैक हला पर संगे संगे जदी पहुंचबे नहीं ताले हमें जानि छु कोन हो. Same thing. How important police station? One of your most important thing is time. In the 5T, both in hospital and in police station, timely action is very very important. Out of the 4 T's, that T is very important. So एमिति लोग जदि आसीबे तांकी कोबोली बाबरे ट्रीटमेंट करिवार अछि. How do we deal with them? Is the crux of this Mo Sarkar. Sir, मु जाइतली ताना बाबू आसले संगे संगे मते पचारले सर कोन लाबडी एटलीस्ट मते गोटे कॉन्फिडेंस देले चलो तुम कोटा मिल जीवो तुम जियो को किछि हबो नै तुम जियो को जदि रेप हेतिबो मु देखिबी से केमिति हले से कन्विक्ट हेबे दिस इज द लाइन वी वांट ताले माननीय मुख्यमंत्री की डीजी के फोन करिबे कोइ सर मु जाइतली ताना के बोलाला सर से कोइले मु एक्शन नेबी बोली कोइ छथि दैट्स इट योर job is done. If you have done this job you will get an immediate appreciation. If you don't do this 5 घंटा बसैले मते कहले ओ मोर बहुत काम अछि कि अलग कथा किछि लोग अछि ना बहुत कम संख्या रे लोग अछि पैसा मांगिबे हरासमेंट करिवे से सबुटा ए सिस्टम टा कैप्चर करिवो मु आशा करिवि दैट ऑनरेबल सीएम का हैंड शुड पेन राइटिंग अप्रिशिएशन लेटर टू ऑल ऑफ यू दैट आपण बोला काम करछंती मलकानगिरी हमको दाना रे एते बोला काम हेछि एते ये हेछि that is the reward or fate that is the reward which we should pay back to the honorable CM. आमे जेंडर वाइज भी कंप्लेंट जो भी आसीबो सेटा जेंडर वाइज भी हमें कैप्चर करिवो. Who are the women who have visited the police station and who are the so if honorable CM is making 10 calls definitely some of them will go to women complainants. And women complaints will be taken very very seriously. That's what I wanted to explain about Mo Sarkar and how it is integrated in the 5T.